300 Idioms and Phrases, Part 4. 91. As American as apple pie. Meaning: used to describe something that is typically American. Examples: baseball is as American as apple pie. For many people, a road trip is as American as apple pie. A piece, or slice, or share of the pie. A share of the profit or benefit from something. For example, when the company started making a lot of money, everyone wanted a piece of the pie. A tempest in a teapot. An overreaction to something insignificant, or making a fuss about a minor issue. He tends to treat every minor inconvenience like a tempest in a teapot. Don't worry about their argument, it's just a tempest in a teapot. Big cheese. An important, powerful, or influential person in an organization. He's the big cheese in our department, everyone listens to him. Your bread and butter. Your main source of income or livelihood. Teaching is his bread and butter right now. He enjoys painting, but fixing computers is his bread and butter. Carrot and stick. A method of motivation that uses both reward, the carrot, and punishment, the stick, to influence behavior. Offering a prize and a warning is a classic carrot and stick method. The manager uses the carrot and stick strategy to boost sales. Cool as a cucumber. Used to describe a person who was very calm and relaxed, especially in a difficult situation. He stayed cool as a cucumber during his big presentation. It's amazing how he can be cool as a cucumber under pressure. Cook up a storm. To prepare a large amount of food with great energy and enthusiasm. He was in the kitchen cooking up a storm for his friends. Couch potato. Used to describe a lazy and inactive person who spends a lot of time sitting on the couch watching television. He turned into a couch potato after losing his job. On weekends, he is a total couch potato. Your daily bread. A person's basic means of living, the food, money, or earnings needed to live. How do you earn your daily bread? He earns his daily bread as a teacher. I work hard for my daily bread. He works long hours to earn his daily bread. Eat like a bird. To eat very little. He is very slim because he eats like a bird. He is trying to lose weight by eating like a bird. Eat like a horse. To eat a lot. He is so thin, yet he eats like a horse. Full of beans. To be very active and energetic. He was full of beans after a long sleep. He is always full of beans after his breakfast. I feel full of beans after drinking my coffee. Go bananas. To become extremely excited, angry, or crazy. The crowd went bananas when the team won. My mom will go bananas if she sees this mess in the kitchen. The kids went bananas when they saw the ice cream truck. Have your cake and eat it too. To enjoy two desirable but mutually exclusive things at the same time. He wants to have his cake and eat it too, working less but earning more. He wants to save money for a new house but still go on expensive vacations every year. Well, you can't have your cake and eat it too. Hot potato. A difficult, controversial, or sensitive issue that is awkward or unpleasant to deal with. The issue of immigration became a political hot potato. No one wants to be the one to tell the boss the bad news. That task is a real hot potato. In a pickle. To be in a difficult or troublesome situation. He was really in a pickle when he lost his passport. Life is just a bowl of cherries. Life is easy, pleasant, and wonderful, though it's often used humorously or ironically to mean the opposite. He always says life is a bowl of cherries when things go well. My car broke down and I lost my wallet. Oh well, life is just a bowl of cherries. Like a hot knife through butter. Very easily, without any difficulty. The new machine cut the wood like a hot knife through butter. Installing the new software was easy, it went like a knife through butter. Melting pot. A place where people from many different backgrounds, cultures, or ideas come together, mix, and often create something new. New York City is often called a melting pot of cultures. Nutty as a fruitcake. Used to describe a person who is very crazy, eccentric, or foolish. Don't worry about his crazy ideas, he's just nutty as a fruitcake. Out to lunch. Mentally unfocused, or not paying attention. Sorry, I missed what you said. I was out to lunch for a moment. Pie in the sky. A hope, promise, or plan that sounds wonderful but is unrealistic or unlikely to happen. His dream of becoming a billionaire overnight without any work is just pie in the sky. The company's promise of huge bonuses for everyone next year sounds like pie in the sky. Be rolling in dough. To be very rich, or to have a lot of money. After selling his tech startup, he's been rolling in dough. If I were rolling in dough, I'd travel the world. Sour grapes. The attitude or behavior of a person who pretends to despise something that they cannot have. He said the promotion wasn't worth it, but that was just sour grapes because he didn't get it. Take something with a grain of salt. To not completely believe something that you are told, because you think it is likely to be untrue, exaggerated, or incorrect. That article has no citations, take it with a grain of salt. Don't believe everything he says, take it with a grain of salt. The cherry on top. Or, the icing on the cake. Something extra that makes a good situation even better, like the final touch that completes or perfects it. His promotion was great, but the bonus was the cherry on top. He got a full scholarship, and a free laptop was the cherry on top. He was happy to be hired, but the high salary was the icing on the cake. The cream of the crop. The best of a group of similar things, or people. These apples are the cream of the crop this season. We want to hire the cream of the crop for this new project. Upset the apple cart. To ruin or disrupt a plan or arrangement. Don't upset the apple cart by changing the plan at the last minute. Wake up and smell the coffee. It's time to face reality or to pay attention to what is happening, especially when it's something unpleasant or obvious that someone has been ignoring or denying. It's time to wake up and smell the coffee. The market has shifted, and your old strategy won't work anymore. You need to wake up and smell the coffee about your career. That company isn't going to promote you. Fill in the blanks. 1. Blue jeans are. 2. Means a share or portion of something valuable, often money, profit, or resources that is being divided among several people or groups. 3. A. The students are upset about the seating arrangement. B. It sounds like. To me. As American as apple pie. A piece of the pie. A storm in a teacup. 4. Means to describe a person who is very important, powerful, or influential within a specific company, organization, or group. 5. Small business clients are the companies. Big cheese. Bread and butter. 6. Don't worry about the food bill, he and won't order much. 7. I read an article claiming you can make $10,000 a week working from home with no experience. I eats like a bird. Take that claim with a grain of salt. Thank you for watching and listening. Click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more videos. Don't forget to like and share.